Welcome to this quick guide on enabling only high priority email notifications in Gmail. If you're tired of constant alerts and want to focus on what truly matters, this simple setting can help you stay on top of important messages without getting overwhelmed. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to customize. You'll see your inbox and all your folders ready for action. Next, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap it to reveal the side panel with all your Gmail options. Scroll down in the menu until you reach Settings. Tap Settings to open a list of your accounts and various preferences. If you have more than one account, select the specific email account you want to adjust. Now, you'll see a list of settings for that account. Tap on Email Notifications. This is where Gmail controls how many and which emails will trigger alerts on your device. In the email notification screen, you'll find different notification options. Choose High Priority Only. This setting tells Gmail to alert you only when it marks messages as high priority, helping you avoid the constant ping of every new email. With High Priority only selected, your device will push notifications for important messages while quieting alerts for routine conversations. This can be especially useful if you receive newsletters, social updates, or bulk messages that don't require immediate attention. If you ever want to adjust again, you can revisit this path. Open Gmail, tap Menu, go to Settings, select your account, and choose Email Notifications. You can switch back to all or toggle other notification preferences as needed.